right, so here's our NTI Live Fire van that if we step inside, you see you see three of our boilers here. We have the TRX and the FTVN. The TRX is a water tube, the FTVN is a fire tube, both featuring the NTI net control. And in the middle is our Steadfast TFT boiler. The two boilers on either end are available in 85 through 199,000 BTU in heat only, and as combis in a 110, 150, 199. And the TFT is available in sizes 60 through 399, and all of them are linkable to up to 8, cascaded up to 8 with a simple 18 gauge wire. So that's our boilers. What else can I say?
What else you got on here? I mean, there's loads of stuff. I saw Takeo, I see Grundfos. What else is on these? How else did you build this out besides the beautiful diamond plate?
So, the beautiful diamond plate, of course, steel pipe. We have copper down below with Takeo circulators. Of course, the Takeo circulators match our green Takeo circulators that are inside all of our boilers. But then we took one step further and we put a little Axiom auto feed into the system so we can pump in our glycol. We put a nice Kalefi low loss header in, and of course we use Centrotherm venting for all the common venting. So it's been phenomenal. Oh God, is my hair okay?
That was beautiful. You're always looking good, Steve.